Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so Narrator can run reliably. First, enable Narrator with Windows key plus Control plus Enter. This launches the built-in screen reader immediately. Once done, make sure audio output is set to the correct device and volume is above 30% so you can hear prompts. Next, open Settings Ease of Access Narrator to confirm voice, verbosity, and shortcut preferences. You do this now because mismatched audio or wrong build settings cause most failures. Fixing them saves time later. Now configure the voice and controls so Narrator behaves predictably. In Narrator settings, choose a stable voice and set speed to a comfortable pace. Faster voices drop words and slower voices feel sluggish. Then set punctuation and verbosity to suit your task. More punctuation for proofreading, less for general navigation. Practice key combos, Narrator key plus arrow keys and caps lock shortcuts, so you can move and read efficiently. If you adjust settings and test after each change, you isolate which option fixes any odd behavior. To finish, apply changes and verify consistent behavior. Save settings, then reboot so voice engines and drivers initialize correctly. After restart, run the Windows troubleshooter for audio and accessibility to auto-fix common conflicts. Make sure keyboard layout and language pack match the selected Narrator voice. Mismatches produce garbled speech. If problems persist, create a new user profile to test whether a corrupt profile or extension is interfering. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot first. Most Narrator faults clear after a restart because services re-register.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.